Ever wondered how to connect directly with the owner of that perfect property you've been eyeing on Zillow? First, head over to Zillow.com and type the address of the property you're interested in into the search bar at the top. Press enter to view the listing. Scroll down the listing page until you find the property details section. Look for information like the year built, property type, and the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. This helps confirm you're on the right listing. Look for a section labeled Owner History or Property History. Keep in mind, Zillow doesn't always directly display the owner's contact information for privacy reasons. Click into the section. It contains publicly available information. To find more information, you can visit the website of the county assessor's office where the property is located. Search for the property address on their website. This often reveals the owner's name and sometimes mailing address. For more detailed contact information, you can try using a skip tracing service. These services specialize in locating people and finding contact information. Keep in mind these can come with a cost. Once you have the owner's name or address, you can craft a respectful and professional message. Clearly state your reason for contacting them and be mindful of their privacy. And that's it. You've now learned how to find property owner information on Zillow and beyond. Remember to always respect people's privacy and be professional in your outreach.